Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing of Sweet Octavia. In this video, I'm gonna making this crisscross blouse as seen in the thumbnail. If it's your first time of watching us, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share our content, and we'll delve right into the video. So I'd already marked out my shoulder and armhole measurement. So this is me marking out my shoulder to bust point to under bust to half length and the blouse length. You really don't need this measurement anyway, but I'm just drafting it out. The only thing that you will need is actually your bust point. Then if you want it to be freer, like you want it to be loose, you can also fold your fabric on bias form, but this is me folding it just a straight form. Okay, so because that's how I wanted my own blouse to be. So this is my blouse length. Then I take my round bust measurement. Like I said before, it's not a fitted blouse, so I'm going to add a little bit of it. So this is my round bust measurement. 1 inch is then 1 inch allowance, and from there I just mark it to out to the blouse length like so. So in making this, your pattern paper actually has to be on fold while drafting, because that's what you use to get the crisscross pattern. So at the hemline, I came up by 2 inches like so, because I want that part to have a slight curve. So this is 2 inches I used for the hemline, and I connected it to the blouse length itself. The next thing I did was to mark out my neckline, which I used 3.5. For a shoulder of 15, I used 3.5. So like that. Then the depth of, I used 2 inches, because this is actually the back part. So you use the back pattern to get the front pattern. Now at the armhole, I came in by 1.5. You can also use 1 inch if you want. It's a sleeveless, and I really don't want it getting to the tip of the shoulder. I came in by 1 inch, 1.5, sorry, and I connected it back to the armhole. So this is what I have. So the shaded part is going to be cut off. Okay, so like that. The next thing you're going to do is to cut out your pattern and place on your fabric. So this, after cutting out, I placed my fabric this way and cut out the back piece like so. So the next thing now is to get the crisscross pattern for the front. That's why I said you actually need it on fold. For the center line, I'm going to come in a little by 1.5. So this is me blending from the armhole to the neckline. Then from the 1.5 at the hemline, I blend to the tip of the shoulder like so. Okay, so you're going to do it only one piece. So you use one piece to cut out two pieces for the front. That's what gives you that crisscross effect. From the armhole of one side, you connect it to the neckline. Then from the hemline of the same side, you connect it to the tip of the shoulder like that. It's very easy. So if you follow the video and do the same thing, you get exactly the same result. So you cut it out like so, and place on your fabric and cut out two pieces. Okay, so the two pieces gives you the left and the right side of the front part. If you've watched us this far, kindly do well to click the subscribe button, and if there are other video requests you'd like to make, kindly leave it in the comment section, and I would oblige your request. Now back to the video. So this is me cutting, using the pattern to cut out the two pieces of the front. Now kindly know that the fabric is on fold. After cutting out, you should have this. So this is it. So you sew now the shoulder to shoulder of both the front and the back. Before you start joining, please you have to hem the tips, the rough edges, which is the neckline of the back piece and also the front piece too. So for the back, I use bias to run it like that. Then because it's a sleeveless blouse, I also hem the armhole like so before shaping the sides. So this is after joining the shoulder, you cross it this way, one side, the left, then the right also. So this is what it looks like. Then you shape the sides and finally finish up by hemming the base of the dress. If this video is something you'd like to see more of, kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. And if there are other video tutorials you want to see on this page, please do well to let us know too. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.